Well, today we're making a Hawaiian pasta salad. Really simple. I've already boiled a 16 ounce package of elbow macaroni. I used the large macaroni just because I wanted to. Seems right for a pasta salad myself. And as you can see, I pre-boiled it, so unfortunately it is a little stuck together. Break it up a little bit to make itself a little easier there. Okay, so to this we are adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Go ahead and pour that right in. Then we are going to add in, it says to use 2 carrots shredded. I buy pre-shredded and I'm just using a 1.5 cups of pre-shredded carrot. You can cut it down a little bit more if you want. I was thinking about doing that, but I just didn't this time. Also to that, get that in there. Add about a 1/4 cup of shredded onion. I just use diced onion because I always have diced onion on hand most of the time. So, and I'm not going to guarantee I have only a 1/4 cup in here. Pretty sure that it's fine to add a little bit more if you want, or even a lot more. Now to this, at this point, I'm going to add about 2.5 cups of mayonnaise. You can use the salad dressing if you want. Use light if you want, but I am using regular mayonnaise just because that's the flavor I like. And it is about what you like in this case because this is a salad that you're going to be eating. I'm going to go ahead and start stirring that in a little bit. Just kind of get it mixed in. Now, I'm not going to get it all mixed up before I start adding the rest of my ingredients. Just going to get it stirred up a little bit in there. To that, I'm also going to add now a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using 2% because that's what I usually have on hand. I don't think that there's much of a difference between 2% and whole for a recipe like this, like there is for, say, something like a pudding or something. Now, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I like to use, for this recipe, brown sugar, just because it seems a little bit more authentic to a Hawaiian salad. And of course now, salt and pepper to taste. I'm not going to add any actual salt to this, but I am going to liberally grind in some fresh ground pepper. I'm going to go ahead and start stirring it in. And just kind of, at this point is when you're going to start mixing it well. And you can hopefully hear some of that. Oop. Okay, just a second here. Like to clean up the workspace there a little bit. Like I said, it's to taste. I know we like to add a lot of pepper to it. Even when we get this at the restaurant, we add more pepper to it a lot of times. Too bad you guys can't smell this. You can actually smell the pepper mixing into it and how it is just kind of blending in with the sharpness of that apple cider vinegar. Now I use the name brand for that just because it's an actual, how do I want to say, it's meant for canning, cleaning, and a whole bunch of other things. So I know it's usually pretty pure. So that's one I like. But if you guys are fans of that natural brewed stuff, the natural fermentation, I'm sure that would work very well in this. And here, a little bit more, and I'm going to say that that's good on the pepper, at least for now. Because now you want to go ahead and stick this in the refrigerator for about an hour before you actually serve. Even if you let the pasta cool down, kind of just want to let it sit for a few to blend its flavors. But that one's gonna have to go sit in the timeout box now, unfortunately. There you have it, a Hawaiian pasta salad. Enjoy. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. And for those that you did, check the description below and you'll find that I have a download for the recipe if you would like to make some yourself. As always, hit the like button, go ahead and subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you can get notified of more upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.